Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling Prodigy Math Game Player. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will leave Prodigy Math Game Player's link in the description. Make sure to subscribe to him too, and let's get into the video. So maybe this is cheating, but I have actually studied his what pets he likes to use. So he should start off with Mag Mayhem. So I'm starting off with Naughty. Let's see what he goes with. Mag Mayhem, and he goes with Daviday. I was thinking he might go Arcturion, but he did go Daviday. So this is a no. Hopefully we can win this battle. It might be a little bit of cheating, but yeah. So as you saw, he just said like 5,135 damage, and we did a pretty good amount. So we'll take Mag Mayhem out on this hit, and he is also not going to be able to use a multi for a while, because he has to use electric attacks. So here, yeah, he should have used Fall Cannon. That was a good move on him. And then we're just going to take him out with normal water. So here's where it's going to get tough, because I don't know if he wants to go Daviday or if he wants to go with his Wizard. I don't want to go with my Wizard, but I have a feeling he is. I'm going to go with Lucius. Yeah, he goes with his Wizard. So we're going to use unlimited power right here, because that is probably, or that's going to get Glorious down some. So he does 4,505 damage. We're going to get him down. Hopefully he uses Supernova next hit, because that would do a lot, or that would not do a lot of damage. And Glorious would probably survive a hit from Supernova, because it would do like 3,928. And no, I don't know why I said that number. That's just what number I thought. Yeah, so he is going to use Supernova. Let's see if he gets 3,928 damage. 3,400. So I was a little off. I was too high. And then that's going to do like 5,007. Okay, yeah, so I was going to say like 5,100, but it does 5,700 too. And we'll take out his Wizard right here, because I don't expect to get him problem wrong. So we did get the problem right. Let's see. He definitely did, because I think we're both on first grade math. So he does 5,170 damage. We'll probably do 5,700 something. 6,141. That is a lot. So we're not going to use a multi-attack right here. We're just going to go fully out and take out his Wizard. We have 5,000 or 10,000. We should be able to take him out right here, unless I get this question wrong. Okay, so thankfully we did get that right. I didn't count how many sides were on them. And we did take out Aquadile, meaning that we should have won the battle, and that would mean that I am still pretty much undefeated against Prodigy YouTubers, except I've lost a lot of battles against PG Pro Gamer. Okay, so let's see if he wants to do another battle. I'm not, because I can't talk to him right now. We got off of Discord. So we'll see if he sends another battle request. Okay, so it's looking like he is not going to be doing another battle. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Big thanks to Prodigy Math Game Player for battling me, and bye.